If you want to disable the wallpaper scroll effect on the home screen on Google Pixel 11 Pro, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option or setting or button that allows you to just simply turn off that effect. And it is possible to turn off this scroll with a little trick. What we can do is we can take a screenshot of the wallpaper, and then we can set that screenshot as that wallpaper. So this is especially useful, or it's just easier, that's what I'm trying to say actually. It is definitely easier when you have the wallpaper that you use currently in your Photos app, for example, or if you just have it in files somewhere. Essentially, you have access to that picture. You have the option to open it, and if you have the option to make sure that the whole screen is going to be covered. So let's say I have this picture. This is my current wallpaper. So what I can do is I can, here in this photo app, I can zoom in just like that, so that, of course, the whole wallpaper, or actually the whole screen, is going to be covered. There we go. And let's say this is the exact frame that I wish to have on my wallpaper. So now I just need to take the screenshot. So I'm going to use the power button and the volume down button at the same time, just like that. There we go. And of course, make sure that there are no options, no information whatsoever. In case that is visible, then you can just tap on the picture once and just wait for the battery, for example, to go away. Alright, so now that we have took the screenshot, the next thing that we need to do is we need to set that screenshot as wallpaper. So in my case, I'm going to go to collections, and here we can find our screenshots. We're going to open the screenshot, tap on these three dots here in the upper right corner, and then we can choose use as, and here we have wallpaper. There we go. I'm not going to change anything else, I'm just going to set it next. There we go. Let's apply the wallpaper. And finally, the scroll effect is gone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.